Welcome to the video. Soft rain over Xuan Huong Lake. A tender pause in time. Soft rain begins to fall. Gentle ripples spread across the surface of Xuan Huong Lake. The morning mist embraces the quiet city. Every sound softens. Footsteps, the wind, even time itself. Here in the heart of Dalat, peace finds its home. People pass by with umbrellas in hand, their reflections shimmering on the wet pavement. The world continues to move, but here by the lake, everything feels slower, softer. The rain lingers, not to disturb, but to remind us of calmness within the storm. The air is rich with the scent of pine and wet earth, a fragrance both fresh and nostalgic. Each raindrop carries a whisper from the clouds, telling us to slow down, to breathe deeply, to simply be present. The lake becomes a mirror, reflecting shades of green, silver, and soft gray. The world above and below seem to melt into one. In moments like this, the heart finds rest. The rain is not sorrow. It is tenderness, touching everything it meets with love. Sometimes, life asks us to pause, to listen to the gentle rhythm falling from the sky, to let go of hurry and expectation. Xuan Huong Lake whispers a simple truth. Beauty is not found in perfection, but in presence. Look closely. Every drop creates its own little world. Every ripple dances with grace. The lake does not resist the rain, it welcomes it, and together they become one soft symphony, a song of peace and renewal. Time slows down. The sound of rain becomes a gentle melody. The mist hides the city lights, and the world grows still. Perhaps this is what the soul truly needs, a tender pause in time. Look closely. Every drop creates its own little world. Every ripple dances with grace. The lake does not resist the rain, it welcomes it, and together they become one soft symphony, a song of peace and renewal.
For listen don't forget to subscribe to the channel to listen to good work every day.